Welcome to Library 001. Let's take a look inside this streaming classroom. Here's what it looks like to walk inside Library 001. As you can see, the room has a projector, several TV screens, several cameras, and a computer monitor and Crestron system, enabling it to stream to other streaming classes, as well as to receive information from streaming classes on other campuses. Now let's start setting up the room to use. Start by ensuring that your computer monitors, computer tower, and Crestron are on. You can tap the Crestron to wake it up, and then select the computer option. Here's a close-up view of what that Crestron screen looks like. Sign into the computer using your COCC account, and then use the TV remote to turn on both TVs in the room. Similarly, you'll use the camera remote to turn on both cameras in the room. By now, the projector should have warmed up, and it should be projecting onto your projector screen. Now let's start setting up the Zoom meeting. This computer has Zoom installed, though you can go into Zoom through Canvas if you prefer that way. By default, this room is set up so that whatever is on the right-hand monitor from the instructor's point of view will appear on the right TV screen, and whatever is on the left-hand monitor will appear on that left-hand TV screen, as well as the projector. You can change which camera displays on your screens by choosing the camera from the control panel. Typically, you'll use the right-hand screen to see Zoom faces from other classrooms, and the left-hand screen to see what is being projected, including what is being screen shared. Once you have Zoom up and running, you'll want to test your speakers and microphone by using the Test Speaker and Microphone link in Zoom. You can find that in either the initial Join Meeting pop-up or from the bottom menu by clicking on the up caret next to your audio settings. Zoom may not automatically pick the best mic and speaker for you, so you may need to swap through them, and that's perfectly fine. For this room, you want to select the echo canceling microphones, which are these microphones on the ceiling. Now that everything is set up, it's time to start our Zoom meeting. As you can see, we've got Yasko here on the other end of this Zoom call, and we can use our control panel to change the camera so that we can make sure that Yasko is seeing what we want her to see on her end of the streaming. Now, one thing to note, if you are projecting something on your projector, you may need to use that camera remote to change the camera zoom or pan to make sure that your students can see what's going on your screen. When you are done with your meeting, please be sure to turn off the computer, the Crestron system, including the projector, and then use the camera remotes to turn off the cameras and the TV remote to turn off the TVs. Lastly, if at any point you have difficulty in your meeting, you can use the phone in the classroom to contact eLearning and we'll help sort you out. There will also be a written manual in each streaming classroom that covers many of the same topics that this video covers, just as a refresher if you need it. If you don't see one in the streaming classroom, please feel free to request a copy from eLearning at any time. We hope that you have a great experience in a streaming classroom. Thanks for watching.